Hello guys, welcome to Good Performance Academy, and today we are going to be looking at how to solve a quadratic equation using a factorization method. Here we have a quadratic equation question on the board, and we are asked to solve this question using a factorization method. Now I want you to relax yourself while I guide you on how to solve quadratic equation using a factorization method. Now the question before us is b to the power of 2 plus 7b equals to 44. How do we solve this kind of question whenever we come across it in our calculation? Now there are steps that we're going to be taking. So I want you to follow my step very carefully. So the first thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to move 44 to this side. I'm going to move 44 to this side, and 44 here is positive. So in moving 44 to this side, I will repeat b to the power of 2 plus 7b minus 44. Then I equate everything to 0. And you want to ask the question, why is it minus 44? If you are moving a positive sign to this side, it changes to negative. Now take for instance here it's negative. If I'm moving it to this side, it changes to positive. So since it's positive now, and I moved it to this side, it changes to negative. Now I equate everything to 0. The reason is because the general form of quadratic equation is given to be as to the power of 2 plus bx plus c equals to 0. So this is the general form of a quadratic equation. So the next thing we are going to do now, we are going to look for two numbers that when we multiply this number, it will give us 44, and if we add these numbers together, it's going to give us 7. Think of a number that when you multiply this number, it's going to give you 44, and if you add the number together, the number will give you 7. Now let's come up with the number. Let's say we have 11 times minus 11 times minus 4. So 11 times minus 4 is going to give us minus 44. And let's add 11 and minus 4 together and see what will happen. Minus 4 plus 11. Minus 4 plus 11 is the same thing as saying 11 minus 4. Now minus 4 plus 11 is going to give me 7. 11 minus 4 is still going to give me 7. Are you seeing it now? So I think of two numbers that when I multiply this number, it's going to give me minus 44, and if I add this number, it's going to give me 7, which is this 7. So you assign 11b and minus 4b. So you are going to use 11b and minus 4b to represent 7b. 11b minus 4b to represent 7b, because 11b minus 4b is going to give you positive 7. So we are going to repeat b to the power of 2 plus 11b. Remember I said we are using 11b and minus 4b to represent 7b. Then minus 4b minus 44, everything equals to 0. Now since you use 11b and minus 4b to represent 7b, so there is no need of writing 7b in the equation anymore. So the next thing we are going to do, what we call factorization by grouping, because the terms we have here is b to the power of 2, 11b minus 4b minus 44, everything equals to 0. Let's wipe this. So this is b to the power of 2 plus 11b minus 4b minus 44, everything equals to 0. So we are going to group the terms together. We are going to group b to the power of 2 plus 11b, group them together. We are going to group minus 4b minus 44, group them together, then we equate everything to to 0. And I believe you are following my steps. Now the next thing we are going to do here now, we are going to factorize what is inside this bracket. We are going to factorize this bracket and as well factorize this bracket. Now, between b to the power of 2 and 11b, the common factor here is b. The common factor here is b. So we are going to bring out the common factor. Now, b is a common factor. B is common to these two guys. The reason is because b divided by b, we are going to be having b. Then b, 11b divided by b. So we are left with no b. There's no b again. So it's going to give us 11. Are you seeing it now? Let's do it again. B divided by b, we have b. 11b divided by b, we have 1. Are you seeing it now? So you write your 11 here. So we have succeeded in factorizing this bracket. Let's do it so that we go back to this and see if we are correct. B times b, we have b to the power of 2. That is b times b, we have b to the power of 2. B times 11, we have 11b. B times 11, we have 11b. Now let's factorize this bracket and see what happened. Now let's look at the common factor here now. The common factor here now is going to give us minus 4. Because minus 4 can be divided by minus 1 and 44 can be divided by minus 4. We bring out our common factor, which is minus 4. Then minus 4 divided by minus 4, 44 divided by minus 4. Are you seeing it now? So these are common factor. These are common factor. We bring it out. Minus divided by minus is going to give us plus. 4 divided by 4 is going to give us 1. And we have b. We are left with what? B. So we don't have 1b in mathematics. So we are just going to write b there. So let me say it again. 11 divided by b minus divided by minus, we have a plus. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Then we have b. Now minus divided by minus, we have plus. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Then we are is 1, right? Then 4 divided by 4 again is 1, because 44 divided by 4 is going to give us 11. Then we'll close our bracket, equate everything to 0. And I believe you are following my steps. So if you look at the equation very carefully, you see that what is inside this bracket is the same thing with what is inside this bracket. It means that our calculation and our steps is correct. So what we are going to do now, we are going to group what is outside the bracket and equate it to 0 and take one of the bracket, because if the product of two things is equals to 0, it means that one of those things or two of those things are equal to 0. Now let me wipe this so that we can continue our calculation here. So here now we are having either, let's group this and this together and equate it to 0, which is b minus 4 equals to 0, or b plus 11 equals to 0. You can see that it's very simple. So we take this and this and we group them together. We group them together, we equate it to 0. We take one of the brackets, which is b plus 11 equals to 0. Now let's use the knowledge of a simple linear equation to complete our calculation. So this is going to be b equals to 0 plus 4. Remember here is minus 4. So we move it to this side. Crossing this equality sign, it changes to positive. Or b is equals to 0 minus 11. Now we are going to have b is equals to 0 plus 4 is going to give us 4. Or b is equals to 0 minus 11 is going to give us minus 11. So the root of the equation is b is equals to 4 or b is equals to minus 11. So you can see that it's very simple. Solving a quadratic equation using factorization method is very simple. What you just need to do is just to follow the steps, because mathematics, you can't really cram everything. And I believe you enjoyed the class, and I believe you love my videos. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I equally want you to on your notification button so that by the time we post a new video, you'll be the first person to receive it. Here in Good Performance Academy, we are doing everything to ensure that we give our students that are watching Good Performance Academy out there, we are doing everything to give them the best. Remember that mathematics is not hard. You are the one that is not giving it your time. Thank you.